We put together a list of 10 easy frugal habits that you can start implementing today to start saving money and reaching your goal of saving $10,000 fast. These strategies are simple yet effective and will help you take control of your finances and reach your savings goals. Save on transportation. By making a few small changes, you can reduce your transportation costs and reach your savings goals faster. First, consider alternatives to driving. Walking, biking, or using public transportation can be a great way to save money on gas and car maintenance. Plus, it's good for the environment and your health. Another tip is to carpool. If you commute to work or school with others, carpooling can save you money on gas and wear and tear on your vehicle. When it comes to buying a vehicle, consider purchasing a used car. Used cars are often cheaper and can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. And when it comes to maintaining your vehicle, consider doing regular maintenance and repairs yourself. Basic maintenance tasks like oil changes and tire rotations can save you money in the long run. By following these tips, you can save money on transportation and reach your savings goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and save on gas. Save on housing. By making a few small changes, you can reduce your housing costs and have more money for other things. First, consider getting a roommate. Sharing housing costs can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends and have a built-in social life. Another tip is to rent out a room in your home. Renting out a room can provide extra income and help cover housing costs. When it comes to buying a home, consider a fixer-upper. These homes are often cheaper and can be a great investment in the long run. And when it comes to maintaining your home, consider doing regular maintenance and repairs yourself. Basic tasks like painting or landscaping can save you money in the long run. By following these tips, you can save money on housing and reach your savings goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to have extra income and make new friends. Save on entertainment. With a little creativity, you can find free or low-cost entertainment options that will help you reach your savings goals faster. First, consider free options for entertainment such as hiking, visiting a park, or going to a beach. These activities are not only free, but also good for your physical and mental health. Another tip is to take advantage of free or low-cost events in your community, such as concerts, festivals, and community events. Many towns and cities offer free events throughout the year, so be sure to check out your local calendar. When it comes to movies, consider streaming services instead of going to the theater. Streaming services offer a wide variety of options for a low monthly fee. And for books, consider borrowing from the library instead of buying. Public libraries often have a wide selection of books, e-books, and audiobooks that you can borrow for free. By following these tips, you can save money on entertainment and reach your savings goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to discover new and exciting options for entertainment. Cut out unnecessary expenses. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. First, make a list of all your expenses and then go through them one by one. Ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer is no, then it's time to say goodbye to that expense. It might be hard to let go at first, but trust us, you'll feel good about it in the long run. For example, if you're paying for a gym membership but never go, cancel it and opt for free or low-cost alternatives like going for a run outside or finding workout videos online. If you're paying for a subscription service you don't use, cancel it and find a free alternative. Another tip is to negotiate your bills. You'll be surprised how much you can save by simply calling up your cable, internet, or phone provider and asking for a better deal. Save on insurance. By taking the time to shop around and compare insurance options, you can find the best deals and save money. First, consider raising your deductibles. This can lower your insurance premium and save you money in the long run. Another tip is to bundle your insurance policies. Bundling your car, home, and life insurance policies with one company can save you money on premiums. When it comes to car insurance, consider a pay-per-mile plan. These plans charge you based on the number of miles you drive, which can save you money if you drive less. And when it comes to health insurance, consider a high-deductible health plan. These plans have lower premiums and can save you money in the long run. Get a side hustle. First, consider freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to use your skills and make extra money on the side. There are many platforms available that connect freelancers with clients such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Another tip is to sell items online. Selling items online can be a great way to make extra money and get rid of things you no longer need. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy can help you to sell items online. When it comes to services, consider offering your services such as tutoring, dog walking, or pet sitting. These services are in high demand and can be a great way to make extra money. And when it comes to starting a business, consider starting an online business. Online businesses can be run from anywhere, and the startup costs are often low. By following these tips, you can increase your income and reach your savings goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to pursue your passions and interests while making extra money. Save on groceries. Groceries can be a major expense, but there are many ways to save money on them. By following a few simple tips, you can cut your grocery bill in half. First, plan your meals in advance. By planning your meals, you'll be able to make a grocery list and stick to it. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and save money. Another tip is to buy in bulk. Many items like rice, pasta, and cereal are cheaper when bought in bulk. Plus, it'll save you time in the long run. Consider also shopping at discount stores or second-hand stores. You might be surprised at the great deals you can find on quality items. Another way to save money on groceries is to buy seasonal produce. In-season fruits and vegetables are often cheaper and taste better than out-of-season produce. Finally, try to avoid buying pre-packaged foods and snacks. These items are often more expensive than buying in bulk and making your own snacks. By following these tips, you can save money on groceries and reach your savings goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to eat healthy and delicious meals on a budget. Use cash instead of credit cards. Now, this may sound like an old-fashioned idea, but using cash instead of credit cards can help prevent overspending and make it easier to stick to your budget. Plus, there's something satisfying about physically handing over cash when making a purchase. When you use credit cards, it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending. When you use cash, you can see and feel the money leaving your wallet, making it harder to overspend. Another benefit of using cash is that it can help you stick to your budget. When you budget with cash, you can only spend what you have and you'll be less likely to make impulse purchases. Now we know that it's not always practical to use cash, especially for larger purchases or online shopping. But for everyday expenses like groceries or gas, try using cash instead of a credit card. The transition from using credit cards to using cash can take some time, but it's worth it. It's a simple change that can make a big impact on your finances. So let's start using cash and watch the savings add up. Shop for deals and discounts. Who doesn't love a good bargain? Shopping for deals and discounts can help you save a significant amount of money on your purchases, and the best part is it's easy and fun. When shopping for deals and discounts, it's important to plan ahead. Before making a purchase, research the item and compare prices. Look for coupons, promo codes, and sales. You can also sign up for email alerts to stay informed about upcoming deals and discounts. Another tip is to shop at discount stores or second-hand stores. These stores often have great deals on quality items. You can also buy in bulk when items are on sale to save money in the long run. Online shopping can also be a great way to find deals and discounts. Many online retailers offer free shipping, discounts, and promo codes, so be sure to take advantage of those. By shopping for deals and discounts, you can save money on your purchases and reach your savings goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to get more for your money. Create a budget. This may seem like a no-brainer, but creating a budget is essential for understanding where your money is going and making a plan for how to save it. Plus, creating a budget can be a fun and empowering experience. Now, don't worry if the word budget sounds intimidating to you. It doesn't have to be complicated. A budget can be as simple as writing down your income and expenses and comparing the two. There are also some great apps and tools out there that can make the process even easier. When creating a budget, it's important to be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Take a look at your past expenses and see where you can cut back. Maybe you're spending too much on eating out or subscription services you don't use. By identifying these areas, you can make adjustments and start saving money. Another tip for budgeting is to set financial goals for yourself. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or reaching that $10,000 savings goal, having specific goals in mind will help you stay motivated and on track. Creating a budget may take some time and effort, but trust us, it's worth it. Once you have a budget in place, you'll have a clear understanding of your finances and will be able to make informed decisions about how to save money. So, let's get started and create that budget. We've covered a wide range of strategies, from creating a budget, cutting out unnecessary expenses, using cash instead of credit cards, shopping for deals and discounts, saving on groceries, transportation, entertainment, housing, insurance, and getting a side hustle. Remember, saving money is not about making big sacrifices. It's about making small changes in your daily habits that can add up over time. So take the strategies that resonate with you and start implementing them today. Saving $10,000 may seem like a daunting task, but by following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goal. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progression. It's about progress. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost-cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.